Aluminum is a product that many people use to wrap and cook food. But what many do not know is that this paper is useful for many other things. If you have aluminum foil at home, you may not have been making the most of this wonderful product. In today's video, I will show you other uses that you can give to aluminum foil that will make your life easier and will help you. The last use will surprise you. Number 1. Keep the vegetables fresh for a long time. If you went grocery shopping and brought vegetables, doing this can make them last longer in the refrigerator. Just roll it in aluminum foil and it will last 3 times longer. Number 2. Move furniture with ease. The sound that the furniture produces when moving them is very annoying. Even worse when they are very heavy and cannot be lifted. To solve this, place a little aluminum foil on each of the legs. When you move them, nothing will sound and you will be able to drag the furniture more easily. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a greeting in my next videos. Number 3. Freeze drinks much faster. When you need to drink a cold drink and you don't want to wait so long, immerse the bottle in water, then wrap it in aluminum foil and put it in the fridge. It will freeze much faster. Number 4. Sharpen the scissors. If you have scissors and knives that have lost their edge due to continuous use, aluminum foil is ideal for this. Gently rub the scissors on the paper, and after a few minutes you will notice how it has recovered its edge. Since I have told you some uses of aluminum foil, now I will share a very unusual trick with you. Number 5. Make a touch pen for your cell phone. If at any time you have wanted to draw something on your phone and you have not been able to because you do not have a pencil, you can use aluminum foil. Here I have a pencil, and as you can see, it does not work if I touch the screen with it. Now I will wrap a little aluminum foil on the tip. I will do the test, and as you can see, it works very well. It is a rare trick that could help those who like to make notes and scribbles. Today's greeting is for Alejandra Murillo from the Dominican Republic and for Patricia Pumarada from Spain. Thank you for watching our content. Help me take this video to someone who needs to know.